So hello everyone, in this video I'll be discussing the DIs, that is data interpretation, that came in your Npsc over the years, like 10 years, last 10 years. They have asked so many DIs. So in this series I'll be completing the PIQs, and the PIQs contains your DI. The most asked question is DI, so I'll be completing all the DIs in this series. So let's start with 2014 DIs, data interpretation. Okay, see, this is the question. There is a line chart, you can say. So see, observe the DI first. This is your graph, you can say, some graph going up and down. This is line chart, we say line chart. And see, there are three commodity, that is sugar, wheat and rice. Okay, देखो, sugar, wheat and rice, and there are some months given. Okay, if you are beginner to DI, just pause the video and observe the question. What are the information are given there and what is written there. Okay, chalo, July, September and November. Mota moti, it means like they are saying that sugar, wheat and rice, their price is fluctuating over the month. Suppose, see, this is your price rate. Okay, price chart. See, this symbol is for your sugar, and sugar price in January was 3 rupees. Okay, now see, this is a wheat price is yours 5 rupees in January. Okay, and then see, the rice price is yours 7 rupees in January. Got it? समझ में आ गया? Now see the next month में देखो क्या हो रहा है ना. In the next month, sorry, not in next month, it's next month, for March, the wheat price got decreased. It became 3 rupees. देखो, and here that is your rice price, that became 4 rupees, and the sugar price got increased, that is 5 rupees. This is how data are given. Okay, like the price chart of over the months, like it's fluctuating, going up and down. Read the question now. 71, they are saying that in how many given months did the price of rice exceed the price of sugar? Now check, what is the symbol of sugar? That is a dot, round dot, you can say a bold dot. And what is the symbol of rice? You will say, sir, it's like your trapezium or something. Okay, not, sorry, trapezium nahi, parallelogram. Okay, so see this one. In how many given month the rice exceed the price of sugar? So it should be up. Okay, here, yeah, 1 month. Now see this month, nahi, this is not there. Yeah, this is exceeding from sugar. Dekho, this is sugar and this is your rice. Sorry, this is your rice, yeah, and this is your sugar. So 2 months, and here it's not increasing, exceeding. Here it's also not exceeding. Here it's also not exceeding. So only 2 months. Okay, so देखो, the question was in how many months did the price of rice exceed the price of sugar. So देख लो ना यार, यहाँ पे तो sugar के price से rice price was exceeding. देखो, the price was 7 and sugar price was 3. Here the sugar price was again 7 and the rice price, the rice price was 7 and the sugar price was 6. So these are the 2 months. So the answer is 2. Now see, 72 number question. They are saying in how many given months the price of wheat was same. अब देखो, what is the symbol of wheat? You will say, sir, rectangle. So this is rectangle here. See, we have to go through this line. See, this is also same and this is also same. Now see, 5 rupees, 5 rupees, 5 rupees. How many months is the price same? 3 months. Got it? So easy one, because it was asked in 2014, but now the scenario got changed. They are asking hard question. Why? Because I'll tell you later on in this series that NPSC is copying question. Okay, copy कर रहा है कहाँ से? From the CAT exam, common admission test, that is for MBA exam in IIM. Okay, so all the DIs you will see in this recent years, to 2024, 2023, 2022, they are just copying the exact question from CAT exam. Okay, so if you want to clear CSET, if you want to be mastered in mains ka CSET na, So you just go through last 10 years CAT examination का paper, quantitative aptitude and DIs and all. So you will just get the common. Okay. So chalo, next question. Okay, same graph, everything, same chart, but the question is different. 73 number question. In which month the price of wheat was lowest? अच्छा देख लो ना, what is the symbol of wheat? That is yours rectangle. So rectangle यहाँ पे एक है, इससे ज़्यादा lowest 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 see there. In November it's 1 rupee per kg, है ना? नवंबर में 1 rupee per kg. सर आंसर विल बी नवंबर. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes sir, we are understanding. I know you guys are a good student, so you will understand. Okay, in which month did the price of sugar was maximum? So sugar, this is the symbol, bold dot. Okay, they go going up here. It's maximum. Again, it's November. November महीना में it's highest maximum. And luckily this is the month of November where I'm shooting this video. Okay, chalo next. Okay, now it became thoda sa calculative or thoda sa complex. This question, 75 number question. So you have to be patient. Okay, you have to understand if you want to be good in CSET or what I can say data interpretation. So you have to maintain your patient level. Just thoda sa शांत से बैठो. See the 75 number question. They are saying if a man wants to buy 3 kg of sugar, देखो 3 kg of sugar, 5 kg of, देखो 3 kgs of sugar and 5 kgs of wheat and 2 kgs of rice. Okay, then which month he should had to buy so the overall cost will be minimum. चलो देखो जनवरी में कैलकुलेट करता है. January 3 kg sugar 3 kg and the rate is 3 rupees per kg, so we have to spend 9 rupee for sugar. Okay, 9 rupee for sugar. Wheat, this is the wheat, 5 rupee per kg and 5 kgs, so we have to spend 25 rupees. Why? देखो 5 rupees per kg, this is 5 rupees per kg. Okay, and we have to buy 5 kgs of wheat, so 5 into 5, that is 25. Rice 2 kg, 7 rupee per kg, so 14 rupees we have to spend. So total में कितने spend कर रहा है? 14, 25 and 9, that is 39 and 9, 48. Yes, 48 rupees. So total we are spending 48 rupees in January. चलो मार्च का निकाल लेते हैं. Again sugar 5 rupees per kg, 3 kg, so it's 15 rupees. Wheat 5 kgs and the price is your 3 rupees per kg. देखो this is the graph, so here 3 rupee होगा, 3 into 5, that is 15 again. Rice 2 kgs, what is the symbol of rice? This 4 and 8, so 15 and 15, 30, 30 and 8, 38 rupees. Got it? May, चलो May का निकालते हैं ना. But what you can do ना, I'm just explaining, that's why I'm calculating all the months. But if you're smart enough, if you're quite smart, then just calculate these months. Why? Because the option is only 4. So if you calculate these 4 months, you will get the minimum and just tick that one if you want, है ना? But I am explaining, that's why I'm calculating all the months. So it's better to calculate all the month while explaining. Okay, chalo May sugar price is 6 rupees, so it's yours 18 rupees. 18. Wheat price is 5 rupees now, so 5 and 5, 25 rupees. Rice price is rice price कितना है रे? This is your rice. This is 7 rupee and 2 kgs, that is 14 rupees. So 32 and 25, 57 rupees. Yes, 57 rupees. Chalo, next July sugar price is 4 rupees, that is 12. And here then wheat price is 5 rupees per kg and we want 5 kg of wheat, that is 25. Rice price is 2 rupee per kg, we want 2 kg rice, so 4, that is 16 and 25, that is 41 rupees. September, chalo sugar price is 9 rupee and we want 3 kgs of sugar, that is 27 rupees. Rice price is 5 rupee, Chalo, wheat price, wheat we need 5 kgs and wheat price is yours. This is your 3 rupee. So 3 and 5, 15 rupees. Rice 2 kgs and 5 rupees, that is 10 rupees. है ना, ठीक है ना. Rice 2 kgs to 5 10, yeah, 35 and 27, that is 35 and 27 ना, बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है रे. Let me check again. 3 rupee 927, 5 and 3 15, okay, ठीक है, 42 52. चलो, November, check the November price. Sugar is 10 rupee per kg, so 30 rupees. Wheat 5 kgs and price is 7 rupees, so it's your 35. Okay, 10 and yeah, right, 5 and 7 35, yeah. And am I doing some mistake? Yes, this is rice. Just a second, this is rice. Chalo, so this was rice na, so rice was 2 kg, so 2 into 7 14 rupees. Here wheat this one 1 rupee per kg and 3 5 kgs na, so 44 and 5 49. So now see, if a man wants to buy the same thing and overall cost would be minimum on which month, so March में दिखा रहा है, but there is no option in March, sorry, there is no March in the option. So उसके बाद देखा कौन सा कम है, जुलाई, so you have to take July because March option में नहीं है, there was no March in option, so write July. So according to me the answer is July. Okay, चलो next question. So I leave 76 as a homework. You should do that homework because it's a same thing, calculation तो किया हुआ है, which month what the price is, what the your cost is, total cost, overall cost, so you just calculate. Okay, चलो next question. Okay, देखो same question ना, 77 in which ये लोग देखो कितना कॉपी पेस्ट करता है, in which year नहीं होगा यहाँ पे, month होगा, month. Okay, so in which month if you bought 3 kgs of sugar, 5 kgs of wheat and 2 kgs of rice, then you have to pay the maximum money. So अभी तो हमने कैलकुलेट किया है ना, देखो कौन सा महीने में मैक्सिमम हो रहा है, which year you have to pay maximum, that is May, 57 rupees. देखो May we are paying 57, so there was an option of May, yes, option A. So this is your correct answer because in May we are spending 57 rupees because the quantity was same na, 3 kg, 5 kg and 2 kg. चलो, which of the month the price of wheat is minimum and the price of sugar was maximum? Nice question. Price of wheat is minimum, wheat price minimum, it's in November, and price of sugar is maximum, sugar is maximum here only November, so their answer will be November. ठीक है ना, तो चलो हो गया, first DI we completed. It was not a hard one, not even easy one, so I can say it's easy to moderate. Okay, because of the calculation in exam hall your mind is like going so fast, heartbeat is so fast, so you have to calculate and you will make mistake. Chalo, nice question. So these are the question you have to remember na, it's a circle and they are dividing the circle like pizza slices. So always remember, if you see this kind of thing, remember it's in, if they are asking in percentage, it's 100%, and if they are asking in degree, it's 360 degree. So always remember 100% equals to 360 degree. 360 degrees. Got it? Now read the question. They are saying now there is a what they are doing, cost of construction. They're constructing something, and their cost was 60,000, and that 60,000 they have spent in like supervision में 54 degrees, timber 36 degrees, labor 90 degrees, cement 72 degrees, bricks 54 degrees, and still 54 degrees. Don't think degrees, what is degrees sir, अभी सब पता चल जाएगा. देखो, suppose this is a circle, it's your cost of expenditure. Okay, and if you cut half money you are spending on labor, half money you are spending on raw material, so it's like 50-50 na. Half of the thing we say 180 degree, half of the pizza slice we say 180 degree. It's the same, but if you do more slices, more pieces, so the degree will be decreased. This is the same thing. तो देखो 79 number question, they're saying the amount spent on the labor exceeds the amount spent on steel by, देखो labor में कितना खर्चा कर रहा है 90 degree, and how much money they are spending on steel 54. So what is the difference in degree? Tell me what is the difference in degree. You will say, sir, this is your 36 degree, the difference is 36 है ना, yes 36 degree. So if you want to calculate this, just write 36 degree difference out of 360 degree, because total is always 360 degree. समझ में आ रहा है? Difference labor cost and still is 36 degree, and 36 degree out of 360 degree, because the circle is always 360 degree, and they are asking answer in percentage, so you have to multiply with 100. So this is 10 times, and इससे काटेगा, this is 10%. So your answer is 10% of the cost. ठीक है, got it? समझ में आ गया? Yes sir, we have understood. चलो 80 number. The amount spent on cement. चलो cement कहाँ पे है? This is steel कहाँ पे है? 54. And supervision this one. So total cost of construction कितना percentage? देखो cement 72. Okay, then steel 54, and then your, just a second, and then yours supervision again 54 na, 54. So if you add everything, it's okay, it's 180 degrees. So they are asking what is the percentage. 180 degree means 50%. अगर नहीं आ रहा है तो देख लो 180 degree out of 360 degrees into 100. So it's 2 times 2 into 100, that is 50%. Okay, this is easy one. चलो, I hope you guys are understanding ना. चलो हो गया. Next question. It's a nice question ना, but I will say it's easy one. Yeah, देखो, they are producing something. Okay, production. Suppose they are producing mobile phones in 1000 numbers. देखो, this is 10,000 number, this is 20,000, this is 30,000, 40,000, because they have written this is 40,000 tons. Okay, tons तो not mobile होगा, कुछ और ही होगा, steel or iron, just imagine. Okay, anything you can assume. So in 2003, 2004 and 2005, see the colors shading. So this is blank, this is black, and this is yours that like cross marks. Okay, so suppose A is a iron or steel. In 2003, A, acha, these are different companies or what? Okay, suppose these are different companies. Okay, A company, B company, and C company, and D company. Okay, so A company producing in 2000, A company producing in 2003 this amount, and in 2004 this amount, and 2005 this amount. Okay, so अब देखो what is the ratio of maximum and, oh, state है, not company. Okay, what is the ratio of minimum and maximum production of state A over the given year? देखो, this is A, maximum production of A, that is, we can assume this is 45. Okay, not 50, because it's not touching 50. Okay, so it's very difficult when they give this kind of bar chart without mentioning the percentage or without mentioning the real data. So it's very difficult. So just assume this is 45. Maximum, minimum state A, that is 35. Okay, so what will be the ratio? देखो, ratio is 35, minimum 35, and the maximum is 45. So if you divide this one by 5, you will get 7. If you divide this one by 5, you will get 9. So 7:9, this is your answer. The only problem was here, how to assume what is, this is 45 ton or 50 tons or 47 tons. So you have to assume in that way the answers are. Okay, chalo. So what is the ratio of minimum and maximum of state C? Easy one. Minimum 25, let's say, and maximum is yours 45. Okay, so 25 to 45, 5 से करेगा 5, 5 से करेगा 9, सो 5:9, दिस इज योर आंसर। ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? नेक्स्ट, ओके, what is the ratio of minimum, 83 number question, what is the ratio of minimum and maximum production of state D in over the given year? Okay, and any given year, chalo, max same question है रे, minimum it's your, you can imagine 45, 45, maximum this is yours 55, okay chalo, so ratio will be minimum and maximum, so 45 to 45, 55, 9 and this is 11, so 9 to 11 C. Chalo, what is the ratio of maximum productions of state A? So state A का maximum production it's 45 and state D maximum production is 55, so their ratio, so 45 is to 55, again the same thing, okay, so it's like 9 is to 11, so again A answer. So it was just easy one, okay, so 2014 easy, 2015 easy, 16 easy, like then 2019 20 में तो एग्जाम नहीं हुआ था, 21 22 23 these are like hard DIs you can get, 24 hardest DI, 23 also hardest, okay चलो next, और सेम कैसे ना, what is the ratio of minimum production of state B and C? अरे देख लो minimum क्या है रे, minimum state B minimum is 35 and C minimum is your 25, 20, yes it's 25, chalo, so 35 is to 25, 7 is to 5, so this is the answer. ठीक है, next question, which state in the year of 2005 shows the maximum production? अरे 2005, these are the colors, okay, symbols or figure, so this is the maximum production, that is D, okay chalo, easy one. Next, which state in 2003 shows minimum production? 2003 color was just blank thing na, so minimum is this one, that is 25, so the answer is C. So next, okay, now it's a nice question, okay, but before solving that I'll solve the next one. Okay, they have given the average marks of student in class 9 in a school. So in 1995 average mark in history was 90, mathematics 88 out of 200, छोड़ दो सब नहीं देखना होता है, for average you don't have to see all of those, so science 120, geography 35 out of 100, okay चलो, so they're asking, a question is in which year the average mark of all the subject is lowest. So what you have to do, you just have to add everything. So here what will be the total sum, average means total sum by total number, okay, but just get the totals here first, totals, total कर दे क्या, चलो 90 90 180 180 and 120, that is 400, 433 433, so 400 कैसे हो रहा है रे, just a second, sorry, 90 90 इसको 90 पकड़ लेते हैं ना, so 180 and 120, that is not 400, 300 333, चलो 333, 100 100 and 100 200 214 214 214 and 40, अच्छा 300 314 314 and 20, I guess it's 359, chalo 359 I guess, okay chalo next, if I made any mistake just let me know in comment, okay chalo, so 120 and here 100, that is yours, I'm assuming 100, later on I'll just subtract 4, okay, so 220 and 108, acha 220 and 108, that is your 328 328 328 and 30, 350 350 366, chalo this is 366, okay, then 80 200 200, 300, 354. Chalo, this is 354. Then 130 and 240, 240 and 350. Okay, 350. Acha, this is more than 350. Okay, chalo, more than 350 से more than. हाँ जी, चलो. But see, to get an average, what we have to do? Total sum by total number. All the numbers are same. देखो, history, mathematics, science and geography. 4 subjects are there. So you have to divide all the numbers by 4. So definitely the lower sum will be the lowest average. So this is your answer. 333 is the lowest. So the answer will be 1995. So the average lowest in 1995 because the sum जितना कम होगा average उतना ही कम होगा. ठीक है ना? चलो. Next. Okay, these are 2013. So we started from 2014. So leave that. Okay, now this I can say not the hardest one, but it's like complex. Okay, same you have seen the 1995 में कितना mark मिला, 1996 में कितना marks मिला है. Now check this one question. अच्छे से देखो, this is the last question and hard question. Hard नहीं, complex. In the case which following subject, this is a sign, okay, figure is always positive if this figure of the year for the year x. X को ना आप अभी को कोई सा भी year मानना पड़ेगा. You have to assume any year. Okay, first we will be assuming 1995. So just assume x is your 1995. Okay, just assume x is your 1995. Now 1995 they are saying ना देखो, so write 1995 equals to value of for year x. So again 1995 plus 1 minus the value of 1995. x है तो 1995. देखो क्या लिखा हमने ना, I just assume a year, that is 1995, equals to, देखो equals to the value of the year of value will put later on, okay, ठीक है, value will put later on. अब देखो 1990 plus 1995 plus 1 minus 1995. So you have to put here 1996 का value minus 1995 का value. अब देखो, चलो let's say history, subject history value was 100 minus 1995 का value, that is 90. So it's plus 10. Okay, if I say mathematics, math, so the value 112 1996 में देखो I am putting 1996 value first, then 1995 value उसके बाद ना. So 112 minus 88. So again it's the positive value. Okay, because it is greater. हाँ, कितना होगा 2, it's like 34 ना. Yes, 34 or 24, 24, चलो 24. Yes, then if I say science, the value is yours 102. Okay, they are saying now which subject. Okay, so we just calculate subject, okay, not here. So we are getting minus here, okay, for science. So we'll just calculate the subjects. Okay, चलो history subjects calculate कर दिया है. ठीक है ना. Now let's check this one. If we put 1996, okay, they are asking about the subject, not the year. So if I say 1996 here, 1996, and I'm calculating for history subject, so it will be 1997 का value minus 1996 का value, same. So for the history subject क्या होगा ना, देखो 1996 was 120 and minus, that is 100. So again the positive value 20. Same for 1998, the 124 minus ऊपर वाला, that is 120. So the value is again positive. See here 130. So 130 minus, just a second, 130 minus the positive value, ऊपर वाला is 124. So again the positive value 6. So I can say for the history all the years are positive if we calculate by this formula. ठीक है ना. History का they are asking which subject is always positive. So by luck, by chance, we started with history. They made the options easier, okay, because history was there. So we started with the history and we got that all the calculation were positive, and they're asking which subject has all the calculation or all the answer will be positive. So history, if you calculate math, geography, science, definitely you will get some negative ना. देखो हम दिखा देते हैं कैसे नेगेटिव मिलेगा. देखो, सो यू हैव टू माइनस फ्रॉम हियर ना 96 minus 112, सो ये तो आ जाएगा नेगेटिव. सी हियर 96 minus 112 अगेन तो नेगेटिव आ जाएगा. देन सी हियर 38 minus 45, so again तो माइनस आ जाएगा. So geography not possible, science not possible, mathematics not possible, only history possible. All the answer will be positive. Okay, so in this video we have completed all the 2014 का mains का DIs. Okay, there is one more DI. Okay, but there was some mistake, or I don't know what is there, not mistake I can say, but the presentation is not good. Why? Because I can't assume what is it, 20 or 25 or 22. देखो, if I say this one, what should I assume? 45, this one 20, what? So it's the illustration is not good. Okay, so that's why I'm skipping the question. Okay, because I'm not sure about the data. So what should I take here, 20 or 22? What should I take here, 25 or 26? So that's why I'm leaving this question. Okay, but the questions are easy, very easy. Okay, but if you got the datas, actual datas here, then we can solve. Okay, so chalo, in this video we have completed 2014 all the mains DIs. Okay, and the next video will be completing 2015 or 2016 if I get more DIs. Okay, so chalo, see you in the next video.